Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a writ petition in High Court online. A writ petition allows citizens to seek justice when fundamental rights are violated or legal duties are not met. Understanding the process begins with knowing which specific high court has jurisdiction over your case, usually based on where the cause of action arises. You will need to gather all relevant documents and prepare them for digital submission before starting the online procedure, ensuring you are fully prepared for this important legal step. Once you have gathered your physical documents, the next step is to convert them into a digital format. Each document, from your main petition to every supporting affidavit, needs to be a clear PDF file. Be mindful of the High Court's prescribed file size limits, often around 25 megabytes per document, to avoid upload issues. It is crucial to organize and name these files systematically, ensuring all details are legible and easily accessible for the court, as this preparation streamlines your entire online submission. Navigating to the correct online portal is essential. Always ensure you are on the official High Court e-filing website for security. You will then need to create a new user account or login if you are already registered, giving you access to the online petition forms. Proceed to carefully fill in all required information, providing precise details about your case and the opposing parties. Finally, upload your meticulously prepared digital documents into their respective sections, ensuring each file corresponds accurately to its description before moving forward. Before finalizing, thoroughly review every aspect of your petition and all attached documents for accuracy and completeness. Once you are satisfied, proceed to the online payment section to pay the requisite court fees securely, which are typically based on the nature of your petition. After a successful payment and submission, you will immediately receive a unique confirmation or case identification number. This vital number allows you to diligently track the ongoing status and progress of your writ petition directly through the High Court's online portal, keeping you informed at every step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.